guys. So we have some flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, oil, milk, and some vanilla extract. First, what you guys are going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. First, you're going to cook bake, then start 350. So while that's doing, I'm going to get the pan and I'm going to butter it. So you're just going to take that off. What you want to do is get your butter stick. You just want to, wrong way. Want to do it like this, perhaps. Okay, like this. So you just want to butter your pan all the way, everywhere, till you get it everywhere. Once you guys have done your butter, just gonna place this here real quick. I'm gonna put my pan thing on here like this. And then what you guys want to do is start sieving and cooking your dough. First, I'm gonna put baking powder first, like that. I mean my salt and baking powder. I'm just gonna get all of this. Just gonna put in here like that. Now guys, the reason why we're using milk instead of water is so it gets fluffier. And it tastes a lot better. Also, that's how my grandma does it, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so now we're just gonna sieve like this. We're just gonna do it like this. This is way faster. Boom. So now what we're gonna do is just put the rest of this in here, and then just gonna sieve that. Perfect. Okay guys, so now that we sieved everything in our bowl, our baking powder and our salt and our flour, I'm gonna go get the mixer. What we do is put our sugar and oil in first. Let's just grab the sugar, guys. Now you guys don't want to turn it on until you guys have all your ingredients in, and then you okay. There we go, all the sugar's in there. Now we're gonna put our oil like this. We put our oil like that, guys. Okay. Now that we have our oil in, what we're gonna do is put this up like this, guys. Like that, and then we're just gonna turn it on to a 4 to start. 4 to start for a little bit. Just to get it mixed up, guys. And then we're gonna put it to 10. So now I'm gonna put it to 10, guys. So we're gonna do this for 3 to 4 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Now we're gonna stop it like this. We're just gonna wait till that stops. Okay. So now that that is stopped, what we're gonna do, guys, is crack our eggs. Now, you guys want to do this very slowly, but every 10 seconds or oopsies, it got wrecked all over me. That's okay, guys. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna, real quick, just gonna wash my hands. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give like 1 teaspoon of vanilla real quick. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Guys wanna be really careful with this, it comes out quick. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, guys. And then what we're gonna do now is put this here, like that. Then we're just gonna put this back here. Then what we're gonna do is add our mixture back in, like that. Okay, just gonna keep that there. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it back like this, and we're gonna put it on to a 10, guys. Oh no, my bad, 4. 4. We're gonna do for a few seconds, just to get it all beat up and mixed. Now, guys, we're gonna add another egg, like this, into the mixture again, like that. Then we're gonna do another 4 seconds, another few seconds. I'm just gonna do the same process. Just wanna do it perfect, like that. There we go, that's good. Okay, just gonna wipe my hands again. And now I'm just gonna put back in the egg one more time, like that. Okay, there. So I'm gonna do that. Wipe off the side of the bowl like that. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're just gonna put it back to 4. Like that. Let it beat up. Stop it. Then we're just gonna add our milk. Carefully. Add our milk. And then we're gonna mix it for another 1 minute. So if yours does not become like this consistency and fluffy, then you might want to do it for another 1 more minute. Let me just add the milk. Okay, now that I've added my milk, I'm gonna do this for another minute. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. Okay, now I'm just gonna do it for 10. Alright, there. So now what we can do is we're gonna stop it, guys, and we're gonna add our flour now. The final step is adding our flour. Like this. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm going to do it like this so it doesn't make a mess, guys. Just going to... We do 3, guys. 1. Okay. Once you add your extra 3, add your 3 scoops, you're gonna mix it again on a 4 for a couple more seconds. Now it should start becoming like dough, guys. As you can see, it's getting pretty sticky. And then you just want to like do it for 1 more minute just to, yeah, so as you do this, it should probably do like something like this. Yeah, so once I get all of that like this, I'm just gonna go on the other side. Just like do that. Okay. So now that you've got all your flour like that, what you're gonna do is put it all the way to 10, guys. And then you're gonna mix it for 1 minute, and then the dough should be ready. Okay, guys, so we took it out of the mixer, and this is how the consistency should look. Should be like thick, a little bit thick. So now what we're gonna do, guys, is just add this to our like 9-inch pan we have. We're just gonna do this to get the air bubbles out. 1, 2, 3. So now that we've done that, we're gonna place it in the pan. Let me get my gloves, guys, because it's really hot. And then we're gonna place it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna get this, place this, and set the oven like that, and then we're just gonna close it like that, guys. And now we're just gonna wait for 25 to 30 minutes. See you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, guys, so now we're going to check the cake and see if it's ready. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Okay, guys, so now what we want to do is check, see if the cake is ready. It's really hot, so you want to be careful. Let's just make sure if it's clean. Guys, look at that. It should be clean. Yeah, I don't think you guys can shoot from the camera, but it's clean in a few spots, yeah. Okay, we're good. So I cooked it for 35 to 40 minutes, and yeah, so we'll be back when it's ready to ice and decorate. Okay. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna cut the cake out, and then we're just gonna put it on the plate. So let me just, close. We almost just lost that cake. Sorry, guys. Okay, there. So now we're just gonna get the plate. Like this. Perfect. Oh. There we go. So now that I took everything out, guys, like that, came out really good. Now we're gonna decorate it, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna like do this really good real quick, cause. Okay, so we put enough icing, guys. Now we're just gonna try, I guess, to make this look good, cause this icing isn't really typically the good icing where you wanna like decorate and stuff. So it's not gonna turn out like how I usually make my cakes, but it's gonna have to do for now. Okay, fine, stop. Okay, guys, so now we're just gonna decorate like this, cause yeah, we're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna do a few around the whole cake, like this. Okay, so now we're just gonna do a little bit of these ones because like I don't want to put too much, because we're just gonna like let it go around the whole place. Yeah, these are falling. Oops. Yep, they're falling a little bit. Let's put some right here too. Okay, now we're done, guys. This is the end product. It looks a bit sloppy, but it sure tastes good, really good. Please smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.